Welcome back, guys. So I've been kind of busy, haven't had a whole lot of time to film. But today we got this 350Z. It's getting this custom wrap on it. It's just a track car, so the guy just takes us up to drift events. So I figured this would be a cool one to try to get back into filming. Let's take a look here. It's got the Rick and Morty door card inserts. Whole back's all gutted. Really cool car. So let me go ahead and show you what he's getting. It's just this full custom print we're doing. It's gonna be a little difficult, but I figured I'd set up a time lapse and we'll come back when it's all done. All right, guys, the Z's all done. We got Ashley and the baby out here filming the final shots. What do you think, Weez? Boom. So this one was a little difficult, but turned out sweet. He's gonna come pick it up in about another day. She's gonna yell at me here in a minute. But I'm gonna do a full walk around. Thing's beautiful. And the bumper's not on. It's just kind of sitting here for photos, so that's why you'll see the gap around there. But anyways, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.